going on, traders? What's up, team? It's Raphael back again. I hope you all having a lovely time, man. Sun is burning out here. I can barely see my screen. But anyways, I'm going to talk about the trade that I've shared with everybody for free today in my free Telegram channel. So if you're not inside yet, make sure to join. We had a lovely buy position on Nasdaq. I was able to bank 3.6% on that one, man. But I'm a little bit upset because I could have made like 7%, 8%, 9%, something like that. It was just 1 minute, man. I was getting out 1 minute too early, man. The market was hitting my second target, and yeah, but I got out 1 minute before that, and yeah, I'm a little bit upset about that because I would have made like easy twice as much as I have right now. But anyways, man, we banked like 36,000, which is 3.6%, and yeah, I'm happy with that. And yeah, let's get into the charts. Let me show you the exact trade, what I was thinking and why I took this trade, so you guys learn from that. I hope it helps. So yeah, let's get into it. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description. If you're looking for a regulated broker, XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. So let's start on the 1 hour time frame, guys. What we had in here, man, the market was pretty bullish last week, as you all know. On Friday, Thursday, it was just pushing up, and yeah, I wanted to follow that trend because I still saw let me show you that one real quick. I still saw a pretty solid level down here. This is a significant high in here, and I was like, okay, we didn't took it out yet, so it will probably keep pushing up, you know. So I marked up my levels. Let me show you the 15-minute chart. What we had in here, we had like this double bottom in here. Market was ranging over Asia and London, guys, and then you can see they just grabbed all these sell stops in here to pulled all the sellers inside, and then we had a beautiful break of structure in here on the 15-minute time frame, and I decided to get in here, somewhere in here on the pullback, 50% pullback. And this was my entry scenario, guys. I was waiting for that liquidity grab. I wanted to see some people getting stopped out, get tricked into the market, reversal sign, and then step into the game. So this is what I did. Worked out perfectly fine, guys. Let me show you real quick on the 5 minute. So market was breaking structure, as you can see on the pullback. I stepped into the game in here. Perfect timing. I told everybody where I'm getting in. Everybody was able to get in with me. If you're in the free Telegram channel, you probably have seen that entry. So yeah, we took that buy entry in here. Of course, we had our stop sitting below this low in here, and as soon as we had this beautiful push, hit the first target on that last significant high, I moved my stop on the pullback. I got in again with a second position, trying to aim for the second target. Market turned around, guys. Let me show you. I was getting in here on the pullback. Market nearly slept through that second target that I had just before that huge gap. So we had this gap, as you can see in here. We had that gap. We started the day with a little gap in here. We had this significant high just before the gap, and I expected the market to come back down when hitting the gap, like at least have a little retracement. So I aimed for that second target. This was my main target, but man, I got out a little bit too early. Let me show you real quick what happened. Why this thing is so slow today, man? All right, so market was breaking structure in here, came back, broke structure again, came down again, pulled a lot of sellers into the market. Then it came up, and at this point the market rejected that level pretty aggressive, so I stepped out. I didn't want it to be involved. I didn't want to see this thing come back again. But man, 1 minute later, this thing was just flying through my second target, where I would have closed everything because I was loaded up. Man, I could have made easy 8% on that trade. I'm a little bit upset about that, but man, we gotta take that. We gotta take that win, even if it's a smaller win. Around it was like a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, which is all right. But yeah, nothing to celebrate, you know. But anyways, I'm going to enjoy the sunshine. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. I think I'm going to ride my bike today, get up in the mountains, catch the sunset, enjoy my evening, maybe drink a beer. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good time, guys. I hope you're having a lovely time as well today, and of course a profitable trading week. If you're not inside the free Telegram channel, I'm gonna tell you again, check the links in the description down below. If you need my help, if you need my advice, you can always drop me a private message in Telegram, but please just use the links in the description, because you'll find some scammers in the comment section trying to pretend to be me, but it's definitely not me. If you want to talk to me, only use the links in the description, please. And yeah, let's get it cracking, man. Wish you a lovely time. See you in the next one. Peace. When you know